Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best seat covers for a Nissan Titan pickup in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best seat covers for Nissan Titan pickup that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Motor Trend Black Faux leather seat covers. The Motor Trend seat covers use premium microfiber leather to provide maximum comfort and relief during long rides and daily commutes. This product offers a front pocket to store your phone and wallet. This is a fantastic universal seat cover that protects your rear seats from all kinds of damage. This cover also features small rubber nubs to keep the seat in place. This seat cover is by far one of the best on the market. People who have used this product say that the quality is excellent and that it is an incredible value. Moving on, at number 4, we have the exact custom seat covers for Nissan Titan. Do you have an older model Nissan Titan, and are you looking for custom seat covers for Nissan Titan? Then the exact seat cover is your choice. Thanks to the precise size, exact seat covers ensure a classy look and ensure an incomparable travel experience even on the longest journeys. This is natural leather of automotive quality, just like the original seats in premium segment vehicles. They also provide excellent coverage for your seats, protecting them from splashes, scratches, and more. This set includes front and rear seat covers, so you need to buy something else. At number 3, we have the PIC Auto Universal Fit Car Seat Cover. PIC Auto seat covers are a great choice for Nissan Titan owners looking for a product that doesn't compromise on the luxurious look of leather seats. This product is made of perforated leather for breathability and features a modern design that blends seamlessly with existing decor. And upgrade and update your old seats or protect them from spills, stains, fading wear, and dust. Its storage bag is for packing or storing your precious things. This seat cover has several features that make it unique, such as the zippered pocket on the back. At number 2, we have the OASIS Auto Nissan Titan leather seat covers. OASIS Auto seat covers for Nissan Titan offer perfect protection, unmatched style, and are specially designed for hot climates. These Nissan Titan leather seat covers are available in multiple color combinations to complement your vehicle's design and reflect your individuality. They offer an easy and inexpensive way to customize the interior of the car according to your craving. The construction of this seat cover is high-quality leather, which makes it ideal for use as a truck seat cover. These Nissan Titan seat covers are waterproof, durable, UV-resistant, and skin-friendly. With a smooth black finish, it gives your car interior the best look. And finally, at number 1, we have the Inch Empire front car seat cover. If you are looking for the best Nissan Titan seat covers that are waterproof, heavy-duty, totally comfortable, and airbag compatible, then the Inch Empire seat covers are for you. This product provides you with 2 front single seat covers, a small bag of steel hooks, and front headrest covers, and the installation takes about 20 to 30 minutes if you follow the user manuals. It comes with a handy pocket that you can use to store phones, books, or other things. The artificial leather used is resistant to abrasion and gives you comfort when riding. For your safety, these Nissan Titan truck seat covers are fully airbag compatible and durable and proving tight fighting so nothing moves easily.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.